Hello YouTube, week 3, episode 3 of the Tifway 419 versus Arden 15/77 series. As you guys know, I am documenting how quickly the Tifway 419 goes dormant and leaves just the greenness of the Arden 15. And just for you guys that are looking to overseed, we'll answer the question of, well, should you do that? And if you do, what can you expect as far as color differences? And for those of you that are going full Monty and are going to torch your lawn and start over from scratch, what kind of color differences you can expect. So we are getting into the tail end of October here, in week 3 of October. As you guys can see, the lawn is still actually looking pretty good, guys. I mean, the color still looks, in my eye, pretty even. You can see we've got some leaves here, some fall leaves falling, but overall, the front lawn is still looking pretty good. Color's not bad. Now, we did have a biblical amount of rain here 2 or 3 days ago. So we had a ton of rain, which is definitely not hurting things. But yeah, so I wanted to let you guys know that. But I mean, for the most part, I mean, the lawn's looking still pretty solid, guys. I mean, look at the vanity strip, the swale area, even Alex's lawn. Alex just finished cutting. You know, he's still dominating. He's not sleeping on the job. It's fall time, but he's still putting that work in. His lawn is looking solid as always. So you guys are out back now, and you can see how the tree spot is doing. As well as I'm gonna give you guys a couple of angled shots so you can see, based on how the light's hitting the lawn, you know, what we're seeing as far as coloration differences. Let's start from right here. I mean, this is not the best angle because of where the sun is, but if we take a peek out here, guys, you'll notice that there's almost like a diagonal line, like right here, where this section is a little bit darker. There's a small band of like slightly lighter colored grass, and then out towards the rock, there's another dark area. So let's move around a little bit. You guys can see better what I'm looking at. So there are some color differences between that Arden 15 and the Princess and the Tifway 419, but it's not tremendous. I mean, I'm not sure if it's the rain that's helped it, but if you look at this week compared to last week, there is not a ton of difference in color from my eye. Again, I'll have to look at the video here at the end, but the one place where you will see a difference is right here. Like right now, I am standing diagonally on the line of demarcation. So look at this right side over here, and then look at this left side. You can see that this side, color-wise, is a little bit darker. So just a touch darker compared to the rest of the lawn. So, strap action still in full effect. Gotta take a moment to show you guys that. You know how I like my stripes, guys. I know some people don't like lawn stripes. I don't really understand those people, but that's my thing. Let's take a look from this angle. Actually, the last time I mowed the lawn was lengthwise, was this way, so you guys can see how the lawn is looking there. Not bad. Sun's not in the best spot to show off the stripes, but overall, the big thing we're trying to show, which are the color differences, I think should be coming through. I mean, for the most part, the color still looks even, which tells me that they are falling off at about the same rate at this point. I mean, compared to last week, again, guys, I am seeing an improvement. And again, some of that might be due to all the rain we got. We got a ton of rain, like literally, I think I showed you guys some of that in my YouTube stories. Like that entire area right here, this whole middle section was a pond. Like literally, you could have like put a small, I mean, not deep enough for fish or anything, but I mean, it was literally all covered in water. So the lawn got a really good soaking, which is no doubt helping the color just a bit. Give you guys a shot from this angle so you can see as well too. Overall, I think pretty even, guys. I'm pretty happy with that. You know, as we get the weather begins to fall off, the temperature gets a little cooler, I expect we'll see more and more differences, but for mid-October, not bad. Mid-October, not bad. So for those of you guys that are saying, you know, that sometimes we'll get in the chat and say, you ruin your lawn by overseeding Bermuda with Bermuda, yes and no. As long as you know what to expect, you can get a really good result. As long as you do a pretty good job with the overseeding, you can get a pretty good result. I think my lawn is a decent example of what you can expect with a job that's done reasonably well. I mean, I do the best job overseeding, but overall, I think the lawn has come through pretty well. One thing that's pretty nasty is these birds. I'll tell you what, when you get a lawn that's in great shape, the birds really begin to take advantage of it and love it. So if you guys would take a look right here, birds will come out here and they will literally dig up certain spots in my lawn looking for worms. I guess it's one negative to having a good lawn. Even the wildlife can appreciate a good lawn because it makes their job a lot easier, right? They don't have to worry about having something attack them when they're going after worms. So it's good for them too. Well, guys, hopefully you found this useful. Wanted to share an update. As I told you guys, we're gonna be doing this every week until probably mid to late November. I want to show you guys as the lawn goes into dormancy, what you can expect with a Bermuda grass lawn, especially one that has the sod that probably most of you guys have on your lawns from whenever you get new construction done. And then for those of you that are overseeding, the color differences you can expect. So this should be a fun series. I'm actually looking forward for it to getting cooler because I want to start seeing more and more differences. I mean, I'm happy the lawn is staying green, but I'd like there to be a little more change from week to week so you guys can appreciate it. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. If you are not yet a subscriber, definitely subscribe. You want to be there whenever the channel eventually hits 100,000 viewers. You want to be there. You know, when he's down to like 11,000, I knew him then. I knew him when he was always, you know, when he was on his iPhone. Before he got some better camera gear. You want to be that person. So guys, again, I enjoy hanging out with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Have an amazing day.